Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss 5 customized resume tips. Gone are the days of the bland, generic one-page resume. Employers these days are more impressed by a resume that is customized, and they tend to give jobs to interviewees that have a bit of knowledge about the company. So by doing your research, you're showing initiative, which impresses potential employers. It will also help you decide whether or not you feel comfortable working for the company and would fit in with others at the office and the overall atmosphere. Researching the company can also help you ace the dreaded job interview, since it will give you an idea of what you want to communicate and how you can incorporate your experience into the company philosophy. Overall, it will decrease stress levels because you're already just a bit more prepared than the average applicant. So relax and start your research. Here are 5 tips to customizing your resume. Number 1, visit the company's website. Read past the obvious introductory pieces. Pay special attention to the layout and design. They should give clues as to the type of company it is. If possible, familiarize yourself with the key players in the company as well. Indeed's a great tool. Number 2, go beyond the company site. Google the company name and read some of the recent news articles, annual reports, or any other relevant information you can find. Again, Indeed. Number 3, seek out competitors. Talk to anyone you know who works for one of the competitors to find out how your potential employer is viewed in their industry. Number 4, inquire around the water cooler. Ask your friends and coworkers what they know about the company. Number 5, pick up the phone and call the organization and ask the receptionist their view of the company, including dress code, organizational leadership style, and the overall office atmosphere. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out GetHiredSecrets.com. Again, that's GetHiredSecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.